Good afternoon. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to solve a linear equation with one variable. What is the goal to solve a linear equation? To solve a linear equation, the goal is to find x. X is the objective. We're going to do strategies in order to solve for x by subtracting or adding the variables. Okay? So, for example, we have x plus 7 equals negative 2. We're going to find x. In order to find x, we need to subtract 7 from both sides in order to find the x. Alright? Let's start by the first example. Alright? We have x plus 7 equals negative 2. Alright. My goal is to get x by itself. Okay? In order to have x by itself, I need to subtract 7 from both sides. Okay? Let's subtract 7 from both sides. So positive 7, negative 7 is cancelled. Bring down x. So we have negative 2, negative 7. That's going to give us negative 9. That's the answer. Okay? So do not forget to verify your answer. In order to verify your answer, we need to take the value of x equal negative 9, replace it by x. Okay? So we're going to take the x equal negative 9, okay, replace it by in the equation. Okay, let's do that. So we have x plus 7. We're going to verify that. So negative 9, I will replace x by negative 9. So negative 9 plus 7 equals negative 2. We're going to see if the left side will have the same answer as the right side. So negative 9 plus 7 is negative 2. So negative 2. So that's exactly right, because we have negative 2 equals negative 2. Okay? That's correct. Okay? That's the first example. Let's do the second example. The second example is x plus 6 equal negative 5. Okay? So, as I said, we have the objective to get x by itself. In order to have x by itself, I need to subtract 6 from both sides. Okay? We're going to subtract 6 because we have a positive 6 right here. We're gonna subtract 6 from both sides. Okay, subtract 6 from both sides. So positive 6, negative 6 is cancelled. Bring down x. So negative 5, negative 6, that's gonna give us negative 11. Okay, negative 11. At the answer. Now it's time to verify our answer. Okay, let's verify this. We're going to replace this x by negative 11. You see that? This x by negative 11. So, negative 11 plus 6, so negative 5. We're going to see if the left side, okay, negative 11 plus 6 going to give us negative 5. If it gives us negative 5, our answer is correct. Okay? Negative 11 plus 6, that's negative 5, equal negative 5. So our answer is correct because we have negative 5 equal negative 5. Alright? Very good. So we have 3 and 4 we're going to do. Before we do that, let's erase. Let's erase to see. Let's erase. Alright. Let's clean that. Right. Okay. We have the third exercise. The third one is 2x negative 6 equal 8. So now we have this equation 2x minus 6 equal 8. Now we need to have x by itself. Okay. In order to have x by itself, I need to add 6 to both sides. Okay. We're going to add 6 to both sides in order to have x by itself. Add 6 both sides. Because we had negative 6, we come with a positive 6. Okay. So you see that negative 6, positive 6 is cancelled. Went down to x. So that's 14, 8, adding to 6, that's 14. Okay? So now, we do not finish yet. We need to have x by itself. And then to have x by itself, I need to divide it by 2, by the coefficient. Okay? Both sides by 2. Divide by both sides by 2. So, it's going. Bring down x. So 14 divided by 2, that's 7. That's 7. Very good. Alright? We're going to verify that because when we solve an equation, the important part is to verify the answer. Alright? Let's verify the answer. We're going to replace this x by x equals 7. We're going to bring x equals 7 into the original equation. For example, I'm going to replace x by 7. So let's do that to see. Alright? Equal 8. When I do the left side, I have to have the left side equal 8. Okay? So, if I have the left side equal 8, our answer is correct. Okay? 2 times 7 is 14 minus 6. So, that's 2. 14 minus 6, that's 8. So, we have 8 equal 8. Our answer is correct. Alright? It's very correct. So, let's do the last one. The last one is 3x plus 4x plus 6 equal negative 14. Alright. So, this one is a little bit complicated, but don't worry. We're going to do that. We have a like term on the left side. Before we do anything, we need to combine like term first, okay? So we have 3x plus 4x, that's going to give us 7x. 7x, bring down 6, equal negative 14. So we reduce our equation, okay? So now, it's very important to get x by itself, okay? We're going to get x by itself. How to do that? We're going to subtract 6 from both sides. Okay, subtract 6 from both sides. So, positive 6, negative 6, that cancel. Bring down 7x. So, that's negative 15, negative 21. Okay, negative 15, negative 6, that's going to give us negative 21. Alright, so now I need x. In order to have x, I need to divide by the coefficient, okay? Both sides by the coefficient. Divide by 7, both sides. This is cancelled. Bring down x. So, negative 21 divided by 7, that's negative 3, okay? This is our answer. This is the answer. So, it's time to verify the answer. When we solve an equation, the important part is to verify the equation, okay? To verify it. Okay, let's verify it. We're going to replace, okay, x equal negative 3. X will be replaced by negative 3. This x also replaced by negative 3. Then, the left side must be equal to the right side. Let's check. Let's check. So, we have 3. I'm going to take negative 3. Replace x by negative 3. So, 3, negative 3. So, plus 4, replaced by negative 3. So plus 6. The whole thing must be equal negative 15. So 3 times negative 3, that's negative 9. Positive 4 times negative 3, that's negative 12. Plus 6, negative 15. So you know that. So basically, you see, negative 9, you have a negative 9, negative 12, that's negative 21, plus 6. Alright, you have negative 21, adding to 6, that's going to give us negative 15. So we are correct. Alright, so x equals negative 3. Alright, very important class. We need solving linear equation in all topics because this is the basic algebra. Please share my videos, share and like my videos in order to encourage a teacher, encourage any tutor is sharing videos. Alright, please share my videos. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, if you have some question, you can always leave your question on my website. It's nugesmath.com. You can leave a question, okay, regarding any question, any algebra question on my website. Thank you so much.